Hello trader, looks like that XAUUSD trend again resumed. We might find further trading opportunity after this short-term drop. We can see the market started to trend again in the major direction. So before we look at now further opportunity, let's quickly look at again bigger picture to see where we can find trading opportunity in the smaller picture. Looking at monthly, as we discussed in quite a few of our analysis, that XAUUSD currently is in a bullish trend. So we can see that historical perspective, we have seen that inverted head and shoulder formation, and the market created its first impulse with a very narrow pullback. And in the second impulse, we can see the deeper pullback. So this is looks like that this is a third wave in this move, and in this third wave, previous monthly candle is starting off the first wave of this new potential impulse to the upside. Now in the first half of the month, if you guys look at it, you can see this is the monthly price action where showing promising bullish movement, and at the top there is nothing. We can see just the sky's the limit. Therefore we could see potential bounce, so any pullback is an opportunity for potential buying on XAU USD. If we drop down to the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly perspective, here is also bullish. This is the weekly inverted head and shoulder with a strong breakout pullback. And with that pullback, we can see here is the strong liquidity trigger and then bounce, and we can see there is another impulse deeper pullback with a breakup structure from the weekly perspective, followed by forming an inverted head and shoulder. The market completely break to the upside with a stronger momentum. From the weekly, we can see that this is the current weekly price action. Previous weekly candle is a middleman. Here we can see there is a long wick on both sides with a healthy body, which is a breakout candle from this structure. And currently this current weekly candle here is the previous support here, and also this is the previous resistance, previous weekly resistance, which is current turning support here. Any also pullback can give us potential buying opportunity from the weekly as well. So monthly, weekly aligning for potential bullish movement. Now from the daily, we can see there was a daily drop here, which was a local breakdown that we have seen on gold, and followed by a long rejection. This is a pin bar, and that pin bar in fact tested this as significant resistance as a support. It's a very high liquidity and there's a strong buying happen, and that long wick represents that strong buying pressure. The market straight closed back above this previous resistance line. So if you draw that level from the daily, we can see that this is a very important level of resistance, and the price closed above this level. That's the sign that the market is maintaining this resistance, which is turning support here. Now if we look at the 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving, now from the 1 hour perspective, we can see that this is an order block that probably you guys have seen that in our previous analysis that we discussed on that. The market has made its move from this level, and the price straight back drop back to that order block, and that's where the smart money traded. And we saw this is the smart money zone where there's a strong buying pressure happen. As a smart money bought from that level, we can see a significant move. Currently it's in another uptrending market structure with a previous swing low and high. Therefore if we look at again to the daily chart, this is today's daily level where there's a gap open slide, and the market initially created an impulse. So any drop to that daily support today will be my eye to see potential bullish opportunity, which is also the swing low of this new 1 hour uptrending market structure. So this is the zone that I will be targeting for potential entry opportunity on XAUUSD. As soon as we will find suitable entry, we will be looking for bullish trading opportunity on XAUUSD with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.